What do you do when you go on holiday somewhere with your packs and you forget your packs charger and then your packs runs out of battery? Well, because they've got quite unique chargers, they're pretty difficult to find replacement ones uh, if you're just looking around in stores and whatnot. So what you can do is get yourself a micro USB cable, just a standard one, not one of those fancy magnetic PAX ones. And then I'm just going to unplug it so I don't electrocute myself. Make yourself a little dock by stripping the cable down. Just try and get it to focus. There we go. So you can see the copper one on the right is the ground, and the red one on the left is the live. And you want to get those, strip them down so you've got the two coppers exposed, and then make two holes in a piece of card. I just used the box that it came in. And then you poke them through, lay them flat, and then pop that on top so that it makes contact, and voila! You have a Redneck Engineering PAX charger, good to go.